Menghadiri undangan dari Universitas Monash Melbourne, Australia, Wali Kota Makassar Muhammad Ramdan Pemanto yang menjadi pemateri membagikan strategi memimpin Kota Makassar, khususnya untuk meningkatkan kembali ekonomi usaha kecil menengah dan pariwisata di tengah pandemi COVID-19. Selain itu, Dani Pemanto juga memaparkan program Makassar Recover untuk menanggulangi COVID-19, khususnya mengangkat imunitas, adaptasi sosial, dan pemulihan ekonomi. Sejumlah program Dani Pemanto ini pun mendapat apresiasi dari pihak kampus Monash Melbourne. Menurut seorang profesor dari Universitas Monash Melbourne, Makassar Recover dinilai benar-benar bekerja dan berhasil membawa Makassar melewati masa kritis, apalagi di saat pandemi.
Yes, I'm very impressed with the mayor's vision and the different programs that he has instituted over the years that I've known. I've been working in Makassar now for about 6 years. So I've seen a transformation of the city, and of course COVID threw everything back, but there has been a steady transformation to pursue innovations in development that I don't see in many cities. I think he has an attitude about progress and about trying new things, which very few mayors have. So I really appreciate that about the mayor's approach and his team's approach. And Makassar is transforming to a really interesting city.
Okay. Your final comments or your final input to develop the local government, for example, in Makassar?
Yeah, I mean, local government in Makassar, well, in all of Indonesia and maybe globally, the biggest problem is coordination. Coordination between the different departments, between the different ministries, both horizontally but then vertically also with the province and then with central government. So I think for me that is key of aligning as much as possible the programs for urban development of the city, the municipal programs with province and central.
Selain membahas konsep Makassar Recover, Dani Pemanto juga akan membahas kerjasama revitalisasi dan permukiman menjadi lorong wisata dan beberapa program yang telah diinisiasinya dari periode pertama jabatannya. Nila Rustam, Kompas TV, Makassar, Sulawesi Selatan.